Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Craves. Who would say no to freshly baked eclairs filled with vanilla pastry cream and topped with a rich chocolate ganache? In this video, we are going to make just that. First, let's prepare the vanilla pastry cream. Into a pan over medium flame, add 1½ cup of milk. While the milk is heating, take 4 egg yolks in a bowl. Into that add ½ cup of sugar and 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Whisk until well combined. Now the milk has started to simmer. Take the milk off the stove. Add a little milk into the egg mixture and mix vigorously. Then little by little add all the hot milk into the egg mixture. It's very important to keep whisking at this stage, or the hot milk might cook the eggs, so keep whisking. Now pour it back into the pan and keep whisking continuously over a low heat till it thickens. Now you can see the pastry cream has thickened well. Now take it off the flame. Finally, add 1½ teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of butter. This pastry cream can even be done the day before you make your eclairs. Let it cool down and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Cover it like this with a plastic wrap to prevent a skin forming on the top. Now for the choux pastry. Into a pan, add 4 tablespoons of butter, ½ cup of water, ½ teaspoon of sugar, and ¼ teaspoon of salt. Keep it over a medium flame till it comes to a boil. Now take it off the flame and add ½ cup of flour all at once. Mix well until fully combined. Then keep the pan back on the stove and cook for 2 minutes over a low flame, while stirring continuously. Now take it off the flame. Transfer it to a bowl. Beat it till it cools down. Beat 2 large eggs. Take 3 if your eggs are small, but don't put all the eggs at once. Pour the eggs little by little till you get the proper consistency. Sometimes you may not have to use all the eggs. If you have not subscribed to Cooking Craves, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more amazing recipes in the future. This is the correct consistency. Now fill a piping bag half full with the paste batter. Line a baking tray with baking paper. I have drawn straight lines with a pencil here so that it will be easy pipe straight eclairs. Take some batter and stick the baking paper onto the tray. Now keep the piping bag at 45-degree angle and pipe straight line over the lines that you drew. Gently smoothen the edges with wet hands. Now bake in a preheated oven at 210 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then for a further 15 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius. As soon as it's baked, prick both the edges of the pastry shell and create tiny holes to release the hot air. I have used a toothpick here. Now let's prepare the chocolate ganache. Heat half a cup of heavy whipping cream. It need not come to a boiling point. When it starts simmering, take it off the heat. Pour it into 150 grams of chocolate. I have used dark chocolates. Mix well until all the chocolates are dissolved. Now take your prepared pastry cream. I had done mine yesterday. Smoothen it by whisking it thoroughly. Now fill a piping bag half full. Now it's time to assemble. Take a pastry shell and slit it with the help of a knife. Pipe the custard into the shells until it's completely filled. Wipe off any excess. Repeat with all the shells. Then dip them into the ganache. Tilt it to both sides to get a good coating. You can garnish them if you want. I have garnished some with roasted nuts and some with melted white chocolate. Now these extremely delicious eclairs are ready to be enjoyed.